Here we go. See what happened. And this is a partial clean. I haven't even finished it. I just want to show everybody real quick what the big change was. Look at that dash. The floor. I mean, even the baseboard. The seats was dirty and filthy nasty. And they're not even finished. This is the first coat, fellas. It's just the first coat. Even that middle console was extremely filthy. Still drying. But I just wanted to show everybody real quick. I remember the worst part about this was the headrest. Females' hair and their juices and fluids. So yeah, got all that out. Door. Sorry about the rags. Gotta clean that. I gotta finish this little stuff right here. This little tap finishes, touch-ups. We got all this. This seat, if y'all remember from the last video, this seat was disgusting. And this is only the first layer too. Like, and I gotta go right back over it one last time, a slight wrap, and then this should be super clean. When you see the next video, it'll be completely done. But the floor, beautiful. Like, I don't know, I remember showing that, but that's now beautiful. That was nasty. That's all beautiful again. Seats, floors. Like, I gotta redo that seat because I didn't do that side yet. And this is the only last thing I gotta do on this car is after I do that side. After I do that side, you can see the discoloration where I didn't do it yet on that side. You can see it. I mean, I gotta finish the hood or the top of the ceiling on the inside here. I don't like that kind of stuff. If you can look, if you can see, I already did this front area. But you gotta redo this side over here and just do this back. This only takes one day, and it takes me about 8 hours to do all of it. If I can do it in one day, it'll take about 8 hours to completely dissect and disinfect and clean an entire car like this, no matter how dirty. Like and subscribe.